What is up guys, Tanit this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add Google Map location in your Outlook mail. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type it Microsoft Outlook Mail, or you can simply type in outlook.live.com. After that, you will be redirected to the login or sign up page of Microsoft Outlook. So if you are new to Outlook, simply sign up with your email, password, and other credentials to create your new Outlook mail account. But if you already have an Outlook mail account, just log in with that account and then you will be automatically logged in or redirected to the homepage of Outlook. Now, after signing up or logging in, on the left side, you can see the option of new. Click on this and then a new mail will appear wherein you just need to uh, move the cursor to the content section by just clicking here on the blank space. Now, after coming here in the new tab, open Google Maps and then open your current location. And when you open the current location, this type of window pop-up will appear where you can see the option of share. So click on this share option and then you will see the option to copy link. Click on this and the link, your location link will be copied and come back to the Outlook mail and then just paste that link here, and as you can see, your Google Maps location link has been embedded to your Outlook mail. And now here you just write the name that you want to send, and you can add a subject if you want. And this is how you can add your Google Map location in Outlook mail. When you are done, simply click on send. This is how you can do it. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.